So following on from a video I did a few weeks ago showing the Fallout Warning Maroon flares, I had briefly mentioned during that video that there was a training kit for those flares, and this is the training kit itself. Manufactured again by the Paynes Wessex Fireworks Company. The Maroon training kit was used at ROC training camps, also at police training sessions, essentially to mitigate them using the actual Maroons themselves, which were reasonably dangerous and were never actually kept in ROC monitoring posts. They were usually kept in local police stations. The unit itself, especially this one here, is based to look exactly like the proper version, the live version, even going as far as to add weights so that the unit itself would weigh exactly the same. Now, the unit that they used for training was this version here, and if I take it out gingerly here out of the box, it's quite tight. You'll see that it has 3 amber lights on the top, and when you connect up the firing box and then a 9-volt battery, when you connect it up and press fire, each bulb will light up to simulate the rocket being fired, and it will make a noise as well. Now, again, I was very lucky to obtain this unit a few years ago now, and I had it before the sort of the live version, which, as you can see there's the live version there, and you can see it is exactly the same as this unit here, the dummy unit. And in fact, these units here were easier to get than the live versions. Until 2018, we thought that there was no live versions in existence. And it wasn't obviously until Guernsey, the Guernsey Civil Defence, discovered their stockpile that we were able to find out that yes, some of them did actually remain in the wild. So what I'll do now, I'll do a very quick jump cut, and I will remove this bottom part of polystyrene, and I'll show you what else comes in the kit. Okay, so inside the kit you get this large silver foil bag. And that is the real Maroons themselves, when you originally got them, came in this sealed bag to keep moisture out. So again, with the training kit, that was given just to simulate the real thing. Then we have this large instruction manual. So the large instruction manual there, and then underneath we also have this box. And again, the real thing would have come inside this box, and that would have giving you all the instructions how to fire the unit. Then we have a lot of student instruction cards. So if you were showing this to a large group of people, you could give out all these instruction cards to the various pupils to let them know how the unit operated. We have some spare bulbs. We have a spare light. We have a 9-volt battery. We have some desiccant there to dry up any moisture. And then all of that goes back neatly together inside the box for storage. And again, these were brought out in the mid-80s and mid to late 80s, and they survived in, you know, pretty much one piece. The training kit is probably one of the rarest ROC items out there. So I was very lucky to get my hands on it, and also the live rockets as well. But this was another very quick video. Just wanted to show you this, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.